In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix a locked Android phone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, unlocking an Android phone you've been locked out of has become more difficult due to the enhanced factory reset protection in Android 16. Unless you have a specific remote unlock feature enabled, you're likely not going to be able, you'll have to erase the device. So what you want to do is you can go ahead, if your phone is signed into a Google account, you can reset it from any other device. So what you're going to have to do is go to google.com/android/find, then log in with a Google account that is on the locked phone, then select your device from the list, and then choose factory reset device. This is going to wipe the phone entirely. And once finished, you can then log back in and restore your data from your latest Google One backup. And what you want to also do, if you can't access your accounts, you have to use the physical buttons to trigger a recovery wipe. So turn the phone off, and then once it's off, hold the volume up and power buttons simultaneously until the recovery menu appears. Use the volume buttons to select wipe data or factory reset, and then press power to confirm. You're still going to need your Google account password after the reset to bypass the FRP lock. And if you don't have it, the phone will remain a brick for security reasons. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.